Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing today? I'm here just to do the giveaway for the Little Wreck This Journal that I showed 2 weeks ago in my Thrifty Thursday. And I mentioned if you'd like to win it to mention the Wreck This Journal in the comments. And I also mentioned it last week in my last Thrifty Thursday. So 2 weeks worth of Thrifty Thursdays. So what I did was I put the URL in from the first one. Very cool, this random comment picker. It works so well. I think we're gonna test it, test it to its limits today though. I put the URL in from the first video. I filtered duplicate users. I filtered the comments based on a specific text, and I just put the word wreck in because not sure what people said, so I want to, if you said wreck this journal or wreck anything, then I got you covered. And then in order to get the second video in there, I was able to put all the names from the second one down here, all the names that mentioned wreck this journal. So now all we have to do, we're going to see how this works, get YouTube comments, because it has to go through the first one. Get the YouTube comments with the word wreck in it. Amount of unique comments, 14 plus 5 extra entries. Isn't that cool? That works so well, right? Okay, let's see how it works over here when we get ready to push the button. Start raffle and pick a random winner. Okay, let's go. Let's see who it is. Northern Country Creations. Congratulations. All right, and what does she say? Let's see what she said. Oh, wait, that was when it's not showing her comment because that's when I entered in where you put in the names under that second part. So yeah, it works, doesn't it? So yeah, that is very cool in case you've never tried this before and you have a YouTube channel. But anyway, congratulations, and I will need you to, Northern Country Creations, to send me by email. I have my email under all my videos, so just send me your address and I will send that on to you. So that was just a little kind of spur of the moment thing I thought of when I was doing the first, where I showed it first, the Wreck This Journal, the first one. It was this kind of spur of the moment thing, like, hey, I think I'll give this away, and I thought of it at the end of the video. So just keep an eye out for on my videos for, you never know, when someone might want to have a giveaway, right? So thanks for watching. Thanks to all who entered. I appreciate all your comments and chatting with you all. It's so fun and so nice to get to know everyone. And so I'm going to let you go, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Happy crafting.